Good morning students, this is Mahalakshmi. I am working in GK Jain School. Today I am going to talk about the factor for grade 5. What is factor? A whole number that divides equally into another number, it's called factor. Let's start the lesson. So students, now we are going to find out the factor of 8. That means what are the possible way to divide the whole number. So whenever we find the factor, we must know the tables. So we are going to start the two tables. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8. Wait, we found the 8 here. So 2 is the factor of 8. We can also write 4 twos are 8, right? 2 fours are 8 and 4 twos are 8. We can write. So 2 is the factor of 8. Also 4 is the factor of 8. So now we are going to move the next table. 3 table. 3 ones are 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 threes are 9. Wait, 9 is more than 8. So 3 is not the factor of 8. So now we are going to move the next table, 4 table. 4 ones are 4. 4 twos are 8. Wait, we found the 8 here. So 4 is the factor of 8. We found here also. We already wrote. So now we are going to the next table. 5 table. 5 ones are 5. 5 twos are 10. Wait, 10 is more than 8. So 5 is not the factor of 8. So now we are going to move the next table, 6 table. 6 ones are 6. 6 twos are 12. So 12 is more than 8. So 6 is not the factor of 8. So move to the next table, 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 7 twos are 14. Look at this, 14 is more than 8. So 7 is not a factor of 8. Next table is 8. 8 ones are 8. Here we found the 8 here. So 8 is factor of 8. 8 ones are 8. I already told we can write 1 8s are 8. Right. So 8 is the factor of 8. Also 1 is the factor of 8. So now we are going to move the next table. 9. 9 ones are 9. Wait, 9 is more than 8. Therefore, 10 ones are 10, 11 ones are 11. Everything is more than 8. So now we are going to stop the tables. So here 2, 4, 8 and 1. These are all the factor of 8. Got it? So listen students, now I am going to explain the prime factor method. What is the use of prime factor method? If we get a big number, we can't write every time in tables, right? So this prime factor method is useful to find the big numbers factor. Before that, we must know what is prime number. Prime number means prime numbers can only be divided by itself and 1. For example, 2 is only divided by 2 and 1 table. 3 is only divided by 3 tables and 1 tables. And 5 is only divided by 5 table and 1 table. 7 is only divided by 7 table and 1 table. So this kind of numbers only divided by itself and 1. So this kind of numbers are called prime number. Got it? Listen students, now we are going to find the prime factors, prime factorization and factors of 40. So now we are going to take the prime factor. So first we must draw the factor 3. Okay, what are all prime numbers? One, 2, 3, 5, 7. Right, these are all some prime numbers, right? Okay, look at this, 40. So 40 is easily divided by which table? 10 table and 5 table, right? So now we are going to take the 10 table. 10 fours are 40, right? Okay, here 10. So 10 is easily divided by which table? 2 table and 5 table, right? So 2 fives are 10. Got it? Move to the next one. 4. So 4 is easily divided by which table? 2 table. 2 twos are 4. Okay, listen students. Now we get the prime numbers. 2 is a prime number and 5 is a prime number. 2 is prime number. 2 is prime number. So when we get the prime numbers, we just stop the factor 3. So these are all prime factors. Prime factors 2, 5, 2, 2. So 40 prime factors are 2, 5, 2, 2. So this is the way to find the prime factors. Got it? So now we are going to find the prime factorization. How to find the prime factorization? It's very easy. Look at this. Prime factorization. What are prime factors? 2, 5, 2, 2. Right. So now we are going to find the prime factorization. It's very simple. 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. Look at this. 5 twos are 10. 10 twos are 20. 20 twos are what? 40. So now we get the answer 40. So this is a method to find the prime factorization. So this is prime factor and this is prime factorization. Got it? So students listen. So 40 prime factors are 2, 5, 2, 2. And 40th prime factorization is 2 into 5 into 2 into 2. So now we are going to find the factors of 40. So every time we can't write the tables. So this prime factorization is useful to find the factor of the number. How? I will explain. So this is 40, right? So 40 is easily divided by 1 into 40 equal to 40 and 40 into 1 equal to 40. It's default because everyone know the number is divided by itself and the 1 table, right? So the factor of 40 is 1 and 40, right? So now I will explain. What is the first number? 2. So we write the 2 here. Multiply the remaining numbers. 5 twos are 10. 10 twos are 20. So write 20 here. So 2 20s are 40. We can also write 20 twos are 40, right? So 2 and 20 is a factor of 40. So now we are going to move the second number. remaining. So now we are going to multiply the remaining numbers. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. So we write the second number 5. We multiply the remaining number. 2 2s are 4 and 4 2s are 8. So 5 8s are 40. We can also write 8 5s are 40. Right. So 5 and 8 are the factors of 40. Now we are going to move the third number. But the third number is 2. When the prime number is repeat, we just take the only one number. Here the prime number repeat in 3 times. So we just take the only one time. We already took. So these are all the factors of 40. So students, hope you understand how to find the prime factor and prime factorization and factor of the number. Okay, move to the second example. So look at the second example. Now I am going to take the 36. So now we are going to find the prime factor and prime factorization of the 36. So first we take the prime factors. First we are going to find the prime factors. So what are all prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 5, 7. These are all some prime numbers, right? So now we are going to draw the factor tree, right? 36. So 36, which table is easily divided by 36? 2 table or 3 table, whatever table we can take. 2 18s are 36 or 3 12s are 36. Whatever table you can take, but finally we get the same answer. But the table is must divide in 36. So look at this. This is 2. 2 is a prime number. So we are going to move the second box. 18. So 18 is divided by which table? 2 table or 9 table. 2 9s are 18. Right. So this is prime number. So we are going to move the next box. 9. So 9 is divided by 3 tables. 3 3s are 9. So now we get the prime numbers. 2 is prime number, 2 is prime number, 3 is prime number and 3 is prime numbers. So 36 prime factors are 2, 2, 3, 3. Right. So now we are going to find the prime factorization. How to find the prime factorization? It's very simple. Look at this. First number 2 into second number 2 into third number 3 into 3. So now we are going to multiply the number. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 3s are what? 36. Got it? So students, this is a way to find the prime factor and prime factorization. Hope you understand. We found prime factors and prime factorization. So now we are going to find the factors of 36. So what are all the factors of 36? Right. So we are going to use the prime factorization. Right. So 36 divided by first one table and 36 table. It's a default. 136 are 36 and 36 ones are 36. So 1 and 36 the factors of 36. So look at this. What is the first number? 2. Multiply the remaining number. 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. So 2 18s are 36. Also you can write 18 2s are 36. Right. So 2 and 18s are the factors of 36. So move to the second number 2. So we already take the 2. So move to the next one 3. So multiply the remaining numbers. 3 into 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So 3 12s are 36. Also we can write 12 3s are 36. So 3 and 12 are the factors of 36. So 1, 36, 2, 18, 3 and 12. These are all factors of 36. Got it?